So these masks are actually easier to breathe than N5s, and they probably protect much better, but it looks weird, so time to start some work. Essas máscaras aqui protegem muito melhor que as NS5 e são muito mais fáceis de respirar, da 3M. This is shit. Never buy this. Weak. Battery, electricity, battery without a cord, sucks. Equipamento com bateria sem cabo, uma merda. Bad choice, piece of shit. Uma merda. Nunca compra essa bosta.
So it seems that for this at least it works, but definitely not powerful to hammer anything because of the battery. It's 18 volts, 4 amperes. It's too low, but for grinding kind of meh, works. So the brush is okay, could be a little bit more aggressive, but the vice doesn't have the speed and the strength. I do not approve it. Don't buy it, don't waste your money. Buy a corded one and you're gonna be better. In a different brand, I would say. Então, faz, mas não faz muito e não tem a velocidade que tu precisa, mesmo sendo um equipamento super caro, super expensive, it's like almost $300, quase $300. Doesn't have the power, the capacity, the spin, the revolutions per minute that you need. No speed. Não compre, não vale a pena. So that's it, 20-25 minutes of work. That battery, 4 amperes, 12 volts. As I said, guys, battery technology is a piece of shit. Don't go for it, never. This model here, XRH04, I would advise never buy battery tools, ever. Então, gente, como eu falei, 20 minutos de trabalho, leve, já morreu a bateria, tecnologia de bateria, uma porcaria, por isso que carro com bateria elétrica continua uma bosta. Essa aqui, ó, Makita, 4 ampere, 18 volts, XRH04, 20 minutos de trabalho, está morto sem bateria, compra com cabo, cara. E o resto tudo, and if you can, any power tool, gasoline, petrol based. This is petrol, guys. Compra gasolina que é a porra. Isso aqui é brincadeira para criança. This is like kids toy. Sério. Mas vamos lá, vamos trocar. Valeu. Kisses. Bye bye. Beijos. So guys, we're gonna try duplicolor rusty fix. That is a rust converter, okay? I'm gonna use these ones just because it's a small area and I just wanted to protect it because I try to grind with our power tools. They suck. But we went to Colorama and we talked to Jose and he sold us a rust converter from Benjamin Moore. That is the one that we believe will be the right product for us to use. Jose, thank you so much. And guys, if you're in St. Croix, you need paint, go to Jose Colorama. They're amazing. But for now, we're gonna try this one. So, galera, eu vou tentar esse conversor de ferrugem, tá? Mas na verdade aqui em St. Croix, o melhor é Benjamin Moore, na loja Colorama do José, que é um cara fantástico. Então, so let's try it to see how it behaves. You shake it. A gente vai tentar. Oh, it's oh, that's interesting. It's completely clear coat and it's water based, so it protects the nature. Então ele é a base de água, protege a natureza, blá blá blá. It's supposed to get black and convert the rust into a film, a chemical iron resistant kind of film, or not really a film, but a crust that protects. Let's see. Ele é supostamente para virar uma proteção preta que converte a ferrugem numa placa protetora. Let's see. So it seems that the clear coat applies easy. It's not really protective for like wide areas, big areas, but it is working, it is converting, and it's getting black without forming like a weird crust. It's pretty smooth. Seems to be working pretty fine in all areas, but especially in the areas that I grind. The other areas is not really working really well. So let's see. Tomorrow we're gonna take a look and see how was the result. Então é isso, gente. A gente aplicou uma lata só onde eu lixei. Ele funciona muito bem onde tu faz a lixada, na outra área não. Mas tá funcionando, tá ficando preto, é uma superfície bem lisa, não tenho nada a reclamar. Você pode ver aqui, ó, bem né, delicado o acabamento, convertendo e tal. E amanhã, compara com a diferença aqui. Take a look on the difference here. Not treated. Treated. So, seems to be working, parece que tá funcionando. Amanhã a gente vai dar uma olhada, mas ele não cobre muita superfície. Uma lata para fazer isso. É bom para específicas áreas. It is good for like spot on areas. Tomorrow we're gonna take a look and see if it works fine or not. Let's see. Crossing fingers. Cruzando os dedos, galera. Beijo. Kisses.